Hi, have you ever wondered what's going on? You are sending emails from your website, but you are receiving emails only with CSS and HTML codes, inline CSS and HTML codes, instead of normal emails with pictures and text. So the problem might be that you are misconfiguring or setting up the mail extension correctly. If you are using a plugin to set up your email service on your WordPress website, such as Easy WordPress SMTP or other plugins, they have option where you have to choose either plain text or text with HTML, text/HTML. You should usually select text/HTML, otherwise you will be receiving like this email. Only code, there is no text, there is no pictures, etc. Hi, thank you for watching my video. If you found it helpful, kindly subscribe to my channel or at least like the video. And if you have any question, I will be very glad to answer all your questions regarding the same topic. Thank you very much again.